Hi all, welcome to another Play Chats con Banter Blitz. I hope audio and visual, audio and visual, okay. Hi there, on stream, hi. Alright, let's take a 3-minute game. Well, this looks okay at the moment. Trying to hold D4. I hope this is okay. It's quite quick, isn't he? I've got to carefully nudge this knight without losing material. It's a nice post E5, isn't it? I don't know if this does anything. Okay. Aggressive with my king. He's just got F6, hasn't he? I wonder if I can play G4 with this. Knight E4 to F6. Where's FIDE? Or maybe Knight G5 for Rook H7. If he had Knight E5 then F6. Can I play Knight D6 or something? Don't know. Maybe this. Right. It's tricky, isn't it? It's hard. I wonder if Rook D6. Okay, this for Bishop B7. If I can take that, I'll be more comfortable, I think, in that Rook and Pawn ending. How about this ending here? Is that any good? F5, I think I just take. Okay, he's got F5. I could just take upside down. Maybe King C5 for King here. Where am I going? It looks a bit tricky still. I think I'll offer a draw if he wants, or not. He doesn't want to draw, does he? Doesn't want to draw. Was I being chicken? Draw for a draw. Can I draw this? It's going to be tricky, isn't it? Am I going to get ground down? Hang on. Oh, it's driven my king away. Is that fatal? Shouldn't be, should it? Am I blowing this? Oh. That's painful. I think I've blown it. Have I? What again? Let's go ground down. That's not very nice. Maybe I missed something easy. I don't know. It's a bit of time pressure as well. Oh, I wonder if bishop c4. This is winning another pawn, isn't it? Or two. This is going well. This is winning another pawn. Okay. We're taking a 95. Whoa, this doesn't bode well. This does not bode well. Oh boy. Hang on. This looks like a winning pass pawn. Oh no, this doesn't look good. I wonder if my king I can stop those. Maybe. Oh, hang on. Maybe that's something. I haven't got too many moves to play with. Oh. Ooh, it's a bit hot tonight. That was playing from a worse position. It's a bit hard. Okay. E4. So, is he ready? Is he ready? I'll abort. Try another. Try G6. Take. Can I grab that? No, I can't grab that. My king is in the center. That would be a very bad idea. Water here. Maybe D5. Maybe. Right, he's made it a real gambit for some reason. Just regain his pawn, surely. Play D5. If he takes here, I think I just take that on my. No, I don't. I take with the knight, so I don't lose. E6. Take with the knight. Play maybe aggressive with this, or no, I'll lose C6. Gonna hold on to C6. He's coming in with knight C5. So he comes in with knight C5. So I'll play knight F5. I can play C5 here. I can't. Okay, passive. Oh, I don't like this. Torturing me on the dark squares. Knight f5. Yeah. Can I do this? Bishop d5. Knight e6, rook e6. Protect c6. Again. And I'll play bishop d5. Bishop d5, knight h4. It looks okay at the moment. Bishop d5 and knight h4. Yeah. I'm hitting e5 now. Doesn't matter about a7 at the moment. So his knight moves back, then knight h4. So knight h4. Hitting g2. You have g3 and knight f3. You have rook e8. Well, maybe g4 here. Maybe queen a7. G takes. I think this is very promising. There's queen g5 after. So if he took knight g2. Okay. Well, there's queen e3 here. Let's put queen back here. Queen g5. Knight e3, queen h4. Oh, this looks very good. Queen h4. Okay, what is the first thing? Queen h4. Queen's in Siberia. Or is it not? No, it's not. Put the rook somewhere. Oh, here actually. I'm protected by the queen. Okay, the queen hasn't got f5. So am I winning g4? G4. Then win the rook. Queen g3. So queen here, queen f1, queen here, queen d1 is mating. Alright, I managed to win one game. Okay, thanks. Okay, yeah. Let's try and get that 3-minute English opening. Okay, so he's going for d5. If I took and then d4, alright, maybe take and then d4. Is that too passive? Taking and d4, is there something wrong with that? I'm not sure, I think it should be okay. Or is it too passive? If he plays e4, maybe then knight f4 and okay, I've got some pressure on d5. G5 knight h5, bishop g4 knight f6, queen g4. So queen bishop g4, queen b3, queen b3 here, knight a5. About h4 here, bishop g4, f3. Maybe this is the way to go. Just the top g5, but was that f3 on bishop g4? This, okay, I'm getting this backward e pawn liability. Let's see. Does it matter? I've got pressure on d5 here. It's got pressure on d4. Taking on d5 protects things. And it's got bishop g3 after, I suppose. Bishop g3 here, what is that? g5, and it's got queen h4. Right. I think king g2. Queen h4, rook h1, queen g5, e4. He's got bishop f4 check. e4, knight d4. Okay, I have a feeling he wouldn't do that, you know. Queen h4. It seems a bit greedy. Maybe queen g5, king f1. I could be wrong. Okay, I thought that might be a bit greedy because of this h file. Maybe knight f4 for a moment. So actually there's a big threat now. Maybe there's queen h5 threat. Queen h7. Alright. Bit d2 for a moment. Actually rook g1 should come into consideration here. Should it not? Queen e2. Oh no, I'm losing material. I wonder if, yeah. Well, the bishop's hanging, so I don't think he's got time. If I take the knight instead of the king. He's got knight d4 coming up. If I protect here, knight d4, queen h5. And he's got things like queen b5 check. But okay, I'll try queen h5. At least I'm holding d2. Queen c2. Queen c2. That's held by the queen. He's got queen d2 though. Why can't I just take that with the bishop? Queen f2's mate, right. So it takes. Okay, nothing's working. Rook h4. Queen takes d2. Well, that's fun. And there's queen h7 there. Let's try this. Queen h7, not sure it does anything. Queen d2, queen h7. Well, that's going to be interesting. If I take here. Right, there's always a knight d5 mechanism. Oh, I'm down on the clock as well. I think there's a knight d5 mechanism to check a knight d5 to factor in here. So queen e3 check knight d5, rook e3 check knight d5. Oh, this is going to play with checks. That's going to be unfortunate. It's all with check. Oh, he's broken through with checks. Oh. Oh. Oh, he's just won the rook with check. Oh, he's just let me off. He could have sat in the rook. He's let me off. I've only got 20 seconds. Oh, he hasn't let me off. Oh! I thought he let me off. Okay. I'll give the applause. Okay, this is, well, like this opening usually. That's a bit weird. Queen a4. Queen a4. Bishop d4, maybe? Is this too dodgy to give up the bishop? Like this. Stop knight e5. There's also going to have bishop b2 here and win d4. Maybe. I'm playing f5. Is that too aggressive? I think in the light of bishop b2, okay, I get some sort of binds on the position. Maybe rook f6, g6, or rook h6 for knight g3. Okay, there's some sort of pressure here, surely. Actually, knight g. Why don't I play knight g3? Where do I want this rook? Knight g3 I think might have been better. So I wasted a bit of time there. I can go back with knight g3. Okay, I'm threatened mate. If rook f2, there's knight f3 anyway. Right, now isn't a bishop h3 here? Rook f2, isn't there? Okay. It looks good in some respects. Is it? Is it good? I want d2, and that form pawn is a killer, isn't it? It should be. Well, you know, queen h4 coming up. There should be a killer. And he's got queen g1. Hang on. He's got queen g1 coming up. That's the defense. Queen h2, bishop h3, queen g1, knight f3 maybe. Knight f3, bishop f3, rook f3, king e2, rook f2. Oh, is that not working there? Alright, think about this. Check queen g1. Okay, I'm not getting mated on g7 just yet if he sacks. h4, h3. Does that do anything? It's got queen g1. Queen. If I take. I'm wondering about rook f3 or g2. I maybe need that for a moment. Queen e4 for rook f3. Okay, I can take that. Or is it too dangerous? It might be too dangerous. So I don't have to play that. Maybe I don't have to play that. Can I just pin this for a moment? It's falling to bits. 97 was threatened. I just thought this coordination was too much. I don't think he's got enough time anyway. I suspect he hasn't got enough time to do whatever he wants to do. Whatever he needs to do. Maybe I'm wrong. Whoa! Okay, form pawn was not so easy. After that, even with the form pawn. Okay, it's pretty tough tonight. I'll try an Albin counter gambit. It stopped. Dutch stonewall. He's going to go with bishop a3, isn't he? Oh, it's going to be tough. This is the right sort of way to play, isn't it? Can I play... I don't know if Queen B4 is any nuisance value. If I have AB, what does he do? 91 to D3 after? To hit B4. That would be a weak pawn, 91 to D3 after. If he took on B4, 91 to D3. He hasn't gone for Queen A3 though. Is that pawn? pawn, I don't know. It's probably a liability. Okay, it's probably a liability. I'll do something with this bishop before it gets totally hemmed in. I'll take here bishop A6. Okay, can I play for rook B2? Rook B2. Is that handy? Okay, he's tied me down though, quite significantly. Although maybe the position isn't so bad. Does he really want to give me a pawn there? Is that pawn just a liability? I expect it might be. I'll take the rook. It looks like big knight versus bishop at the moment. A2, is it worth taking? Find that out soon. Queen B7 gives me at least Queen B2 and then maybe Bishop D3 after, if needed. If he takes on C6, this simplification. Okay, this looks good. Threatening. This looks good. This looks good. Hold on a sec. Let's take some Rook A1. Rook A1. I think. Oh no! This must be good. Rook B1, Rook A1. Yeah, must win one. Okay. King's Gambit. Crowd pleaser. King's Gambit. Oh dear. I've played this before. It ruins the King's Gambit. Ruins it. Oh. With Morphy's counter gambit, ruins the fun. Oh, it's not really a King's Gambit-y position at the moment, is it? Although, hang on, we have a semi-open F file here. There's a semi-open F file, 92 in castles. Actually, I'm happier now because this looks good for casting, and then knight F4. Now, if he castles queenside, there's bishop takes F7. Surely there's bishop takes F7. Okay. There's E6 if he castles E6. This looks good again. Knight G6, bishop F7. I like this all of a sudden. Yeah, if he castles, I think, or E6 or knight G6, which way? E6, does that have any perks? Queen E8, EF, bishop F7. Don't know really. Oh, I could try e6. Does he go queen e8? Queen e8. It's not convincing because ef, bishop f7, bishop f7, queen f7. Right now, okay. Here. Right, knight f6 seems plausible. Does it not? Knight f6, does it seem plausible? I assume it's plausible. Maybe knight e6 and then bishop f4 is good, because then I'm conspiring against c7. Yeah, if I played knight e6 and then bishop f4. Okay, knight g4, I can take that off. Alright, this looks like a plan. Bishop f4 actually looks good. If rook d7 bishop f4, I think I'm winning material there. But what would he do to save the queen? Knight e5? Maybe bishop f4 is on the cards here. Alright, I'll play bishop f4 here anyway. Get this queen away from my h2 soft spot. Oh, dents king a bit. And now bishop goes back. Let him take on f7. Right, I'll take here. So I might be threatening f8 if he's not careful. Oh wait, there's queen e6 as well. Why don't I win lots of bits for the queen just for fun? I think I'm going to win lots of bits for the queen with f8. Alright, I think I had it in hand, that game. Okay, keep that game in hand. King's Gambit again. Crowd pleaser. King's Gambit. Oh yeah, thanks. Commentaries for Lila. Yeah, that makes my day at the moment. Fantastic, some of the games. Absolutely fantastic. Really enjoying the YouTube at the moment. What do you guys think about me staying away from what I usually have done in the past by default is cover a Carlsen Nakamura game, and I didn't this time. Maybe I should get round to that because I usually cover their encounters. But yeah, I've been carried away with the Lila chess games recently. I probably got carried away with the analysis as well. It's actually really hard to analyze in some respects. Can I do this? Because actually here, Queen d2. What is he doing now? f6, ef, gf. Well, this is fine. This is fine. I don't need to play this because maybe I'm encouraging f6 after. Alright, so maybe I take it and knight e6. Okay, fork. Thanks. Okay, this looks as though it's in hand, this game.
Yes. Yes.
Let's try and avoid the stalemates. I didn't mean to promote. I didn't mean to promote a knight. Oh, give me a break. I didn't mean to. Let's just drag this game on. Anna Leela. Okay. My table base hasn't been installed, so I've got to turn it into another winning position. Oh, okay, I really didn't mean to underpromote the knight there. Oh boy, I didn't mean to underpromote the knight there. Ah, oh, crikey. Smith Mora. This looks pretty standard so far. Maybe E5 coming up here. He's quick, but is it a bit reckless what he's done? I hope it's a bit reckless. Can I prove it? It's a little bit reckless. My bishop's hanging now. I've got to be careful about this bishop. Right. Knight F5. Whatever he does, Knight F5. So I'm finally mating with Queen G4, Queen G7. Right, this looks very good. Queen G4. This looks very good. This I've broken his pawn chain. Okay. Hang on. I've just noticed something. Rook C1, Queen E7, I've got Rook E6. Haven't I? Oh no, he takes here. No, check. Yeah, Rook E6. I think that's a major resource in this position, Rook E6. If it takes check, I win the Queen. I think that's dangerous, Rook E6. So let's say, yeah, bang, Rook E6. Protecting the Queen. Bishop E6. I was checking that out earlier, it was just annoying because of the Rook D1s. But with Rook C1 it seems to bypass all the issues. Maybe that's an issue. There is Rook D1 because takes with Rook E1. I think there's Rook D1 with tempo. I don't think there's a back row issue. Rook D1 with tempo. Takes. Rook E1. If I Rook D8, if his Queen goes somewhere. Let's check.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that was yeah, tactically. Let's have one last game. And I hope you enjoyed this little session. I'm trying to keep it to 45 minutes, these sessions. These little sessions. So hope you enjoyed it a bit. Yeah, it was tough, really tough to start off with. I thought for a beating. You know, total beating. Okay. So anyway, I think F7 was on, so he might have let me off a bit. I think F7 was on. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the Leela chess videos and stuff. I'm working on that at the moment. Priority. It's great interest to me to see, what's happening in the new IDs all the time. The evolution. And if you want to support the Leela chess project, just in Google, just put play Leela chess, and you'll find the main play page. But then, if there's a link from there to the forums and everything, or how to contribute your GPUs and stuff. So I think the best thing since sliced bread this year for me, this Leela, because I was getting bored of trying to annotate most of the over the board games. I found them a bit, I was starting to find them a bit dull until Leela came along, Alpha Zero, and then Leela, because Alpha Zero kind of excited me beforehand in any case. So Leela is like open source version of Alpha Zero, so that's good fun. So can I play? I don't know. This looks really good. So Rook H3 or Rook F2. This looks really, really good. Bishop H3 maybe. It looks like a very enjoyable position. If I just treble everything, treble, quadruple on F1 for Rook F1 coming up. In fact, Rook F1 is now threatened, isn't it? Okay, this looks as though this should be totally too much for white to handle. Surely. I mean, do I need my bishop in the game as well? This should be enough, because there's things like Queen G2, Queen G4. It looks like I can try and use this bishop on the diagonal, actually. Alright, let's try and get this bishop involved as well. It's the only piece missing from the attack. What about just trying to avoid being sadistic here? Queen F5 though. I mean Queen F5, Queen G4. Queen G4 looks sufficient. Yeah. There's no Bishop D3. Okay. Queen G4.
Yes.
I think Leela would really crush me with just one node at the moment. I don't think I could play Leela at the moment. I think it would be too embarrassing. Okay, I'm going to go now. Okay, thanks for coming for this little session. See you next week. Have a good time. Okay, cheers then. Thanks so much.